Hey guys, I want to do a phonics lesson, and Rashid came by and dropped off a note at my house. It was in my mailbox, and it says, "Dear class, I'll bet you didn't know that even though there are only 85 snap words on our word wall, you can use them to make lots more big words. Open the present. Your friend Rashid." And Rashid left this present here for us. I'm going to open it up. I wonder what it is. Let me see. Oh, he left us some words, some snap words that we know, like how and some and can and thing, any and not and where and way. Wow. You know what? I think he wants us to use these words, these small snap words, to make big words. You know that writers can put some snap words together to make longer words when they're writing. And when readers and writers get good at snap words and know how to spell and read them, they can put the words together and then know how to spell and read bigger words. And remember, I taught you this already, that when you put two little words together, to make a big word, it's called a compound word. So let's try some now. Let me see. If I put up here the word some and the word can, let me see. Some can. No, that's not a word. But what if I take can away and I put how? Somehow. Hey, that's a word. Like in this sentence, Tom was hungry, but somehow he waited until lunch to eat. What if I take these words down and I put up two other words? I put up any and I put up thing. Anything. I don't have anything to do today. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at your word wall, and I posted that in the lesson, the little word wall that we used to keep in our writing folders, and it has all the word walls and all the snap words in alphabetical order. It's also listed under writing tools. You may have already printed it out, and I want you to take those words and I want you to take two of the small snap words, and make a bigger compound word. And I put this sheet for you to record your answers on. So it says compound words. Snap word plus snap word equals compound word. So I put an example that we just did. Some plus how equals somehow. See how many you can fill up on here, and then I want you to send me a picture of what you did. Okay? Now, before we go, there's actually 5 more snap words that I want to go over today. And remember, we learned how to make a new word a snap word. Remember, you hear it in a sentence, you look at the word and see what you notice, and you spell it, and then you cover it and see if you can remember it, and then you say it in a sentence yourself. I will actually post that sheet, make a new word, a snap word, under this lesson and in the writing tools. So the first word is ask, ask. I ask a lot of questions to my teacher. Okay? The next word is walk, walk. I walk to school every morning. Then we have things, 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 ings. I notice it has a digraph in the front, I put away all my things when my mother asked me to. How about this one has a digraph in the beginning too? Them, them, them. They ate lunch with them in the park. How about this next one has a digraph? What? W-H-A-T, what? What will you do after school today? Okay, see what else you notice. You may want to write these words on cards and add them to your cards at home. And I will add them into the big pile. And see what you notice about these words and see if you can use them in a sentence. Okay? Let's go over them one more time. Them, things, walk. I notice you can't hear the L in walk, and the A doesn't sound like an A. Ask, what, them, things, walk, ask, what. Now I'm going to go over them, see if you can say them. Ready? I'm going to mix them up, see if you can say them. Ready? Here's the first one. Next, 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 next. I think we started with this one. Okay? So remember to send me a picture of your compound word recording sheet, and I'll see you next time.